Hi, it's Garrett. I'm going to be teaching you how to cut, thread, and add a 90 with black iron. So, for materials, you would want to need the pipe cutter, the 90, the pipe reamer, the handle, the die, gloves, Teflon tape, pipe wrenches, paper towel, tape, and the awl. So first off, you want to put the black iron in the chain vise and tighten it down. Nice and tight. And now you want to mark it off to 1 foot. Mark it with the awl. Take the pipe cutter, open it up so it can fit. Tighten it back down till the cutter is on the line. And you want to rotate and spin the handle. Rotate and just keep repeating this until the pipe is cut. Like that. Now you gotta take the extra pipe out of the vise. Put this pipe back in the vise. Tighten it back down. Take the pipe reamer, the vise, the pipe, and keep cranking it until you get the burrs off. And you can see here all the burrs are chipped off. Add some oil. Caution, the oil gun does squirt the oil. Careful how much you put on. Now you want to take running gloves. And then you want to put the die into the handle. The die is now into the handle. Now you can start threading. And the oil is already on. So I'm going to place the threader so the die is on the outside. And make sure this little handle is facing the correct way. Screw it clockwise. And then you want to hold the die onto the pipe and just keep cranking until it's starting to thread. Now you can see here it starts to thread, so you want to go ahead and add more oil. And you just want to keep cranking again. Now, since now I did 2 or 3 more cranks, you want to reverse this to go left, counterclockwise, to cut off all the chips that are inside the die. As you see them falling. Now you want to put this back clockwise. Add more oil. Keep turning clockwise. 2 or 3 more cranks. Turn it counterclockwise and cut the tips off. And you want to repeat this step until the die gets onto the pipe, and the pipe will reach the end of these threads. So now, since the pipe is at the end of the threads, as you see here, pipe at the end. So now you want to take this handle, put it to reverse. And the chips will fall off as well, but you also got to get the whole threader off the pipe. Alright, now since I took the pipe threader off the pipe, now you want to clean it, or you can take the gloves off now. But you want to clean it with the paper towel. Clean it all nice and good. Now you want to add your Teflon tape. You got to make sure that the Teflon tape, if you put it on the wrong way, the 90 won't go full on all the way, and it can cause a leak, so that's a warning. And then, so now for the Teflon tape, you want to start at the top and work your way down. You don't want to cover it too much, because then the 90 won't fit back onto it. Just like that. Now I want to take your 90 and you can hand thread it, and then hand tighten it. But if you don't tighten it all the way with the pipe wrenches, that can also cause a leak. Now I want to take your both pipe wrenches, one down onto the pipe and one onto the 90. Now keep tightening this. It's fairly tight, so there's no leaks. And now, if this was an actual job on one of the boilers, you would want to make sure that the other piece of the 90 is facing the correct way. So just with the vise, let's say just straight up. Now see here how I just went past straight up. So if you do that, you do not want to reverse it, because if you reverse it, that will break the Teflon tape and that will also cause a leak. So if that happens, you just, with black iron, you can just turn it, more turn around. Just like that. You take it out of the vise, and there you got your cut, threaded, and added the 90 to your black iron. That is it.